I know this is a gardening channel, but I'm obsessed with birds too. This is the Front Range Gardener, and this May cold snap has brought hummingbirds flocking to my feeder. These little guys are desperate to find food to help them survive the frosty night ahead. Enjoy 90 seconds of these energetic little feeders, and I'll see you on the other side. This is a bit of a different video for my channel. If you like this kind of video, give this video a like and let me know in the comments. Help hummingbirds survive the cold and you will have happy gardening.